I tell everybody, barbecue is a noun. So when you say barbecue, you are talking about specifically chop whole hog barbecue from Eastern North Carolina, vinegar based. It is a dish.
Hi, I'm Ed Mitchell, Pitmaster, North Carolina.
And I'm Ryan Mitchell, son of legendary Pitmaster Ed Mitchell.
And this is the Pinehurst Barbecue Festival.
Mid-construction right now at the preserved NC Barbecue, North Carolina.
And the art form is really cooking the whole animal. From an old barbecue master like me, you haven't had it until you had all of the different parts blended together.
As a kid growing up, what you don't understand is the magnitude of the history of the art form. The techniques were used, to hide and to make it from one state to another by my ancestors when they were traveling through, the Underground Railroads and these different passages and these techniques of learning how to cook in the ground and cook on pits without smoke rising to be found and be seen. Those are, that this was something that was bigger than us. You're literally eating, history, hundreds and if not thousands of years of history.
We're fortunate enough to have this relationship with a couple of universities, put together a memorandum for us to get involved with the farmers to the extent that we can help decide the diets, acorns, peanuts, things of that nature, which helps accent the flavor.
Traditionally, chop whole hog barbecue is what Eastern North Carolina is known for. It is the claim to fame for the state.
And each parts have a different flavor profile. We want you to have a taste of the ham, the tenderloin, the bacon.
You can catch us at the Pinehurst Barbecue Festival coming up this Labor Day weekend, which will be your very best shot at getting the best barbecue in the country.
What better atmosphere, what better setting that you can
but
get.
The geographical setting for Pinehurst is
perfect.
Is built for a barbecue festival. You know what I mean? So the very best pitmasters in the state of North Carolina have been invited to participate. This is the A-list of barbecue aficionados in the state of North Carolina, and we're extremely excited to have those guys represent each of their specialties, the very best.
So come on out, play a little golf, enjoy yourself, bring your families, and let's eat some barbecue.
The Pinehurst Barbecue Festival, September 3rd through the 5th. Get your tickets while they're hot.